Hi, my name is Syahmi. In today's video, I will present to you about intercultural management, applying the nature of culture on the Sakura festival Lalaport that I went. Slide 1, we have objective from the event. Today, we explore the objectives of the Sakura festival at Lalaport Bukit Bintang City Centre. The event aims to celebrate Japanese culture through traditional activities, fostering cultural immersion and appreciations. For the slide 2, we have relevant topic. Our focus is on cross-cultural communications and cultural exchange. The festival serves as a platform for individuals from diverse backgrounds to engage in meaningful cultural dialogue and interactions. Next, we have observation from the event. Attendees engage in enriching activities such as serenity ceremonies, intricate ikebana workshops, and captivating performance of Japanese music and dance, offering a deep dive into Japanese traditions. Next, we have key takeaways include enhanced cultural understanding, community building, and a renewed appreciation for the beauty and significance of Japanese traditions. For the last one, we have reference include source and materials used to document and support our insight into the Sakura Festival at Lalaport Bukit Bintang City Centre. The Sakura Festival is a vibrant celebration aimed at immersing attendees in the essence of Japanese culture through a range of traditional activities. From the serene ambience of tea ceremonies, where each gesture signifies respect and hospitality, to the ikebana workshop teaching the meticulous art of flower arrangement that embodies harmony and natural beauty, and lively performance of Japanese music and dance that reflect centuries-old traditions. The festival offers a comprehensive cultural experience. Participants not only witness but actively engage in this practice, learning about the intricate details of the tea preparation, the symbolism behind floral arrangement, and the expressive storytelling in traditional performance. This hands-on approach fosters a deep appreciation for Japanese customs and aesthetics, fostering respect and understanding across cultural boundaries. Beyond its educational value, the Sakura Festival serves as a dynamic platform for cultural exchange and inclusivity. By bringing together individuals from diverse backgrounds to celebrate Japanese traditions, the event promotes dialogue and mutual appreciations. It underscores the importance of cultural preservation and highlights the beauty and significance of traditions in fostering community and harmony. Through such cultural exchange, attendees not only broaden their own cultural horizons, but also contribute to building a more cohesive and interconnected global community where diversity is celebrated and respected. Topic 5, cross-cultural communications is a skill crucial that involves recognizing, respecting, and effectively interacting with individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds. It plays a pivotal role in international business, diplomacy, and social interactions by facilitating understanding and reducing misunderstandings. In the realm of international business, effective cross-cultural communications allows organizations to navigate cultural differences in markets and among teams. By understanding cultural nuances in communication styles, business practice, and consumer behavior, companies can tailor their strategies to local preference, enhancing their global competitiveness and fostering successful business relationships worldwide. In diplomacy, cross-cultural communications is essential for building and maintaining international relations. Diplomats and negotiators must navigate cultural sensitivities and differences to facilitate constructive dialogues and cooperations on global issues. By demonstrating cultural sensitivity and empathy, diplomats can bridge cultural divides, promote mutual understandings, and foster diplomatic solutions that benefit all parties involved. These skills are vital in addressing complex geopolitical challenges and promoting peace and stability across diverse cultural and ideological landscapes. Bridging cultural gaps. Throughout the festival, symbolic elements such as cherry blossoms, traditional attire, and the use of Japanese language serve as cultural bridge. Cherry blossoms, with their ephemeral beauty, symbolize renewal and the fleeting nature of life in Japanese culture. Traditional attire such as kimono and yukata represent centuries-old customs and ethics. The Japanese language, whether spoken during activities or seen in signage and displays, adapts to the cultural experience. This will impact the exposure to these cultural elements, foster a deeper understanding of Japanese values, aesthetics, and social norms among attendees. It bridges cultural gaps by familiarizing them with aspects of Japanese life that may differ from their own cultural backgrounds. This exposure encourages curiosity, respect, and appreciation for cultural diversity, nurturing a more inclusive and interconnected global community. Next, we have enhancing intercultural interaction. At its core, the Sakura Festival serves as a dynamic platform for cultural exchange and dialogue. People from different cultural backgrounds gather to celebrate and learn about Japanese culture in a festive and welcoming environment. This interaction creates opportunities for meaningful exchange of ideas, traditions, and their perspective. The impact we get from this is interacting with individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds, enhance participants' intercultural communication skills. They learn to navigate cultural difference with sensitivity and openness, fostering cross-cultural understandings and collaboration. These interactions not only enrich personal experience but also strengthen community bonds and promote global citizenship. Promoting understanding and respect. The Sakura Festival at Lalaport Bukit Bintang City Centres offers a captivating immersion into Japanese culture through a variety of traditional activities. Festival goers can participate in serenity ceremonies, where the meticulous preparations and serving of tea symbolize hospitality and also respect. Ikebana workshops provide an opportunity to learn the art of Japanese flower arrangement, emphasizing harmony, balance, and appreciation for natural beauty. Additionally, performance of Japanese music and dance showcase the cultural expressions and their artistic tradition that define Japan's heritage. The impact in engaging in these activities goes beyond mere participation. It allows individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds to gain profound insight into Japanese custom, values, and also aesthetics. By experiencing firsthand the ritual and artistic expression of another culture, attendees develop a deeper appreciation for the nuances that shapes cultural identity. This fosters mutual respect and empathy, contributing to a more inclusive and culturally aware society. The last one, we have the key takeaways. How does the Sakura Festival at Lalaport Bukit Bintang City Centre contribute to cultural exchange and community building, and what are some practical benefits for participants in professional contexts? We have, for the first one, cultural immersions through tree ceremonies, ikebana workshops, and traditional performance. Next, we have promotes cultural exchange and understanding among diverse attendees. Furthermore, foster community spirit and inclusivity by celebrating Japanese traditions. Besides, offers educational value with hands-on activities in Japanese arts and crafts. It also enhances cross-cultural communication skills through interactive experience, and also highlights the importance of cultural preservation and heritage. That's all from me. Thank you.